I'm a scat man. Everybody does one way or the other, so check out my message to you. As a matter of fact, I don't let nothing hold you back. If the scat man can do it, so can you. Everybody's saying that the scat man stutters but does but never stutter when it sings. But what you don't know, I'm gonna tell you right now that the stutter and the scat is the same thing. You're on the scat man. Where's the scat man? I'm the scat man. Watching me be pleasing any politician uses with trying to choose this if they could. The state of the condition insults my intuition and it only makes me crazy and I hard like wood. Everybody stutters one way or the other, so check out my message to you. As a matter of fact, don't let nothing hold you back. If the scat man can do it, brother, so can you. I'm the scat man. Everybody stutters one way or the other, so check out my message to you. As a matter of fact, I don't let nothing hold you back. If the scat man can do it, so can you. I hear you all ask out the meaning of scat, well, I'm the professor and all I can tell you is why you're still sleeping, the saints are still weeping, because things you call dead haven't yet had the chance to be born. I'm the scat man. Where's the scat man? I'm a scat man. Repeat after me. It's the scooby-doo melody. I'm the scat man. Sing along with me. It's the scooby-doo melody. Yeah, I'm a scat man. I'm a scat man.
Matangkad eh. Dito ako sa dulo. Match lang ako rito ng height.
Maswerte ako dito sa gitna
Ayan na. Well, good afternoon. Would you like to greet everybody?
Yeah, good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon talaga sa inyo mga bahay dito sa audience. Hi.
Tommy.
Good afternoon to all of you.
O, dito muna tayo.
Good afternoon to all of you. Hi, welcome to Tulaga.
Ayan, hilingal pa, hilingal.
Oo, at syempre, may bagong member sila. Si John Jordan Hoxton, ang Mr. Foggy, 1995. How does it feel to be a new member?
I'm proud of myself kasi hindi biro makasama dito sa grupong to. Kailangan po, may konting talent na ipakikita. Kaya ako proud ako sa sarili ko.
That's good.
Oo.
He is proud of himself.
Oo,
We all
tama.
have to be proud of ourselves.
Next time, makasama din tayong tatlo sa ang TVJ Kids.
Ganun din tayo.
Ganun din tayo. Anyway, I hope all of you enjoy your new member and keep dancing and keep performing really well here in Ipulaga. At mamaya po, hindi lang ang TVJ Kids because we also have yung Super Sirena. Napakaganda talaga sila.
Yan ang dapat abangan.
Nakaka-insecure, Christine. Ganda-ganda talaga.
Kayo, nai-insecure. Tignan niyo yung mga itsura nila. Talo ko. Ito naman yung katawan ko. Buti nga sila na.
Ruby, hindi porket mga payat kami, swerte kami. Hindi
Sabagay.
totoo yun.
O, ayan na lang, papahalata ka na naman, Ruby.
Paano kaya, Christine?
At syempre, we also have a number of guests lined up for the day. So let's watch.